Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something crucial in SQL, that is TCL or Transaction Control Language. But what does that really mean and why should we care? Well, TCL is all about managing the changes made by DML operation. So, let's get started. The TCL command includes commit, rollback and SAVEPOINT. These three commands. Now, first up, we will see the commit command. The commit command in SQL is used to save all changes made during a transactions to the database permanently. Let us see with the example. So here we will creating one table and then inserting a record in it and save it permanently using the commit command. So here you can see we will type the query for the creating table, then table created. Also see the structure of table by the DAC command, then inserting the record one by one. Now here you can see the we have inserted 4 to 5 records in our table. Now we are using the commit command. When you want to use commit command, then you have to type here only the commit name and then semicolon, then all our data are saved. So now type the command here commit then semicolon and enter. You can see the message here commit complete, that is our data are saved permanently. Now we will see our second command is a rollback command. Sometimes you might make a mistake or decide not to keep the changes you have made so far. Rollback is what you use when you want to the undo operations from the last commit or to return the database to the previous consistent state. Let's see with the example. So first up here we will check the existing table by the select command. Select star from table name here stud1 semicolon enter. You can see the table and now we will insert one record and save it. Insert the record by insert command. Type the values according to the column's name. You can put any values which you want. Semicolon enter. So here we inserted one record and also committed, that is save it. Now we will insert another record and we did not commit it. One row created, that is our second record also inserted. Now we will type the command rollback. Rollback complete. Now we will cross check what is happened by the select command. So you can see here only these records are showing which we have saved, that is the rollback command. It is showing records up to the commit command. Now we will see our next command, that is SAVEPOINT command. A SAVEPOINT in SQL is used to set a point within transactions, allowing you to roll back to that point if needed without affecting the entire transactions. It helps manage partial changes within transactions. Let's say with the example. For example, we creating the table here. Create table com with one column. Insert the record in which one by one. But one thing remember here, when you want to use SAVEPOINT command, we have to use save point before inserting the every record. So here we created one save point yes1, save point created. Now we will insert the record. Insert record by insert command. One record created. Again we will created second save point. Now insert the second record. Again created save point S3 and insert the record. So here now check our table by the select command. Select star from table name com. You can see our inserted record. Now we will see the use of save point here. Suppose I want only first record. I want rollback only up to the first record. So I type here command rollback to save point number S2 semicolon enter. You can see the message here rollback complete. Now cross check by the select command. You can see here we get only the first record, that is the save point. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos.